Hi guys, so welcome back to my vlog. So today is a weekend and we will be having our staycation, my friend and I from college. So in this staycation we will also watch Bridgerton Part 2. So I'm on my way to the mall, our meetup place. So please enjoy this vlog. Hi guys, so I'm at the mall already. I arrived early because I wanted to do some strolling before the staycation with my friend. So I'm here and she'll arrive maybe around 12 p.m. Let's check out the books around here. I have this, like the big set. So many good books. That's cute. Oh my god, I am enjoying too much strolling here in Miniso. Like everything is so cute. So, we had lunch. My friend is here already.
Tapos may ref natin okay na tuto na.
Bukas na yan. Pati yung ref.
Yung ref okay lang kasi wala lang siya dito.
Okay.
Dito po yung garbage room natin. Tapos kung mga towels. Tapos ito po yung induction cooker natin. Dito po yung utensils natin. Ito
kompleto.
Gamitin natin mo. Tapos dito po yung mga towel.
Wow!
Tapos may towel na po dyan. Ito po. Kasi yung TV natin, ma'am, hindi siya nagkala sa YouTube, pero nagkala siya sa Netflix.
Ah, okay. Kinabahan ako. Akala ko walang...
Tapos dito po is, yung, kasi mainit siya mo eh.
Okay, sige.
Tapos password ng wifi, ma'am, dito po.
Okay.
Dito po yung house, natin,
house rules.
Natin dito, pagkasin lang po. Tapos susi po ng unit, ma'am, dito.
Okay.
Tapos ma'am, meron po tayong, kung gusto nyo, pwede tayo mag-yes sa roof, hindi naman kamahirapan kasi naka-elevator naman.
Sige.
Sa balik ko sa elevator, may nakalagay na penthouse. Pero akit pa rin kayo ng door po, ganun doon sa taas.
Sige po.
Garbage room.
Yun yung view. Tapos yung swimming sa baba. Ayan na yun, bababa kami.
Tapos bababa kayo, ma'am, doon kayo pupunta. Meron po doon, bilihan ng rice bar.
Okay. Sige. Thank you, Ate Jamie.
Sige.
Okay, okay.
Siya
Sige,
lang
sige.
naman po dito sa ma'am.
Sige, thank you po.
Ako din. This is okay na. Lang. Ay, sorry. I'm so sorry.
Ah, naku, baka matapong ko pa. Clumsy ako dyan eh. Okay na to. What? It's right? Right? Yeah. Kasi if we eat like the 2 rice now, we'll be left with 3. And that's for tomorrow. So we will have like dinner. The ramen is the dinner. Sure.
I said, do not think Penelope can breathe.
It's wrong. We've known Penelope for all these years, and now she'll be my sister. I am delighted for you both. Thank you, Lady Bridget.
It is clear you do not, after what you've written about me this year. But I hardly know myself. What were you thinking then?
I was thinking that I simply wanted the Colin I know back. Not this stoic man you returned as, acting as if you care for no one and need nothing. It's you. Kind and feeling, occasionally excitable, good.
Shall we dance?
Ang talino ni Felipa, be!
Mas masaya nga naman.
Gusto mo pag mag-clear ng palette, panoorin ulit natin yung sexy nila.
Luka-luka ka, that was God on video! You wanted to watch the sex scene all over again. Going out for a 7-Eleven run. The Bridgerton is done.
Let's go.
The season is, you know, acceptable and fun. What do you think about it? My friend is single, by the way. And very much available. I'm hunting a husband for her. A good rich husband.
Rich husband.
Yes.
Because I'm, as a friend, is a material.
I am materialistic, so they need to, yeah. Kung pinindot mo ba? Walang. It smells funny in here.
Dito isa pa yung parang loso.
Ang ating punong abala. By the way, she's the mom in the group. I'm literally just standing.
And the mom, so throw this away.
Talking. Hi! Buki. Ramen. Yum. And the cake. And we have the wine in the ref.
Which the Bridgerton? I take comfort in that if we no longer have your club. You shall.
Guys, help me. I don't know where I put my pearl earrings. So this is my sleepwear.
Parang bridal shower. Ako yung bride.
Yeah. This would pass up as Bridgerton.
Niya is namumula.
Oh!
Nakakala ko wala lang. Sinaga siya. Pero habang tinititigan ko siya, para niya akong ginagawa.
We've done 4 million things today. We are so efficient with the one-day getaway. Hi guys, good morning. The eye bags. Yeah, so we slept at around 3:30 a.m. and then woke up around 7:40 a.m. I'm so lutang. I'm thinking if I'll go swimming pa or I'll just sleep around. I don't know. So that's the morning update. Hi guys, so as you can see the pool there. I decided not to go on swimming. I am too sleepy to do anything. I ate a kimchi set and we're reheating the ramen. So I'll have breakfast muna. Hi guys. Ignore the music. So my friend went on swimming. I said I can't and I slept a little more and now I'm like cleaning up the room and will do my makeup. So after swimming, my friend and I we checked out. I waited for her to end her swimming, and we went to the mall, had cafe, and went home. It was overall a nice weekend. I enjoyed it. Hi guys, so we checked out already and we're going down. There's no outro. This is the outro. Bye. See you on the next vlog.